Hello everybody, my name is Michael Hoover. I am the East Coast Regional Sales Manager for DRV Mobile Suites. Currently I am standing in the Mobile Suites Aire 40 floor plan. Today we wanted to take the time to discuss the differences between the Mobile Suite Aire and our mobile suites. In the kitchen here, you're going to notice a lot of the same similar amenities that we use in the mobile suites. We are also using in the Mobile Suite Aire. One is going to be our Furrion appliances. We have a Furrion convection microwave, the same one that we put in the mobile suites, as well as the same 3-burner gas stove top, and the option to add the 22-inch gas oven to it. Behind me, you're going to notice that we're using a 20 cubic foot residential refrigerator. It's a little bit different style than we have in the mobile suites. Looking at the cabinetry here, you're going to notice that we're using the exact same wood in the Mobile Suites Aire that we also use in the mobile suites. So this is the mocha cherry. You also have the option for the lighter color wood, which is the hazelnut. It is still made with the solid wood that you're familiar with, as well as the cabinet doors are made with that solid wood. Looking here, you're going to see that we use the same solid surface countertops that we use in our mobile suites in this Mobile Suite Aire brand. All the cabinetry is going to have full extension soft close drawers. Exact same thing that you're used to in the mobile suites, we're using in the Mobile Suites Aire. In both brands, we're using the solid surface countertops as well as the Vanity lighting that goes around the island and the accent lighting that's on the floor. We're also using the same LVT vinyl flooring, hand laid and hand glued, that we use in the mobile suites. What's great about this is that in case one of those pieces were to get damaged, you can literally take a blow dryer or a heat gun and run it over that piece till you heat that glue up and start peeling it away. Just get another piece, add some glue, and put it right back in its place. You don't have to match up a pattern, again, because they're individual tile pieces. In the Aire, I think that we have a beautiful bathroom setup throughout all the floor plans in the Mobile Suite Aire. One of the features that I think is absolutely amazing is going to be the dual vanity. You're going to notice that it is a solid surface molded sink on both of them that I think really sets it apart. I think it's truly one of the best setups of a bathroom across all the mobile suite brands. You're also going to notice that the shower is going to be recessed. It will allow somebody that's about 6 feet 9 inches inside that shower. That's something we can't do in the mobile suites due to the framing on that upper deck, where in the Aire we're able to recess it to allow those that are taller to really feel comfortable inside that shower. Obviously there are some differences, and one of the main differences that you will notice is going to be the lighting over the island, where this is going to have drop down lighting as well as some very beautiful wood features on the lighting above it. The very front of the island also is going to have that same texture that is different than the mobile suites. There's really 3 main differences that you're going to notice that distinguish the two. One is going to be sidewall construction. The Aire is going to be equipped with the 2-inch laminated sidewall, where obviously the mobile suite's using the 3¼ inch thick sidewalls with batt insulation. The number 2 thing is going to be the frame. On the Mobile Suite Aire, it is going to be a 12-inch I-beam, where on the mobile suite it is the 15-inch triple stacked box tube frame. Third and final piece is going to be the Dexter Easy Flex suspension on the Aire versus the Moride independent suspension on the mobile suites. When we came out with the Mobile Suite Aire, we really were trying to create a unit that was single wheel towable. So we wanted to come out with the Mobile Suite Aire that was towable by a single wheel 3500, even potentially a 2500 in the smaller floor plans.